There are many ways to earn money online. Some of the most popular include freelancing. Offer your skills, such as writing, editing, graphic design, or programming, to clients on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise by teaching others through online tutoring platforms. Selling products online. Start an online store, sell on marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, or become an affiliate marketer. Online surveys. Share your opinions and earn money by participating in online surveys. Blogging or vlogging. Create a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising or sponsored content. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. Selling services on gig sites. Online coaching/consulting. It's important to note that earning money online also requires effort, dedication, and consistency. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it may take time to build a sustainable income stream.